letting her talk, Flip.
Show me the message right now, though.
Flip, he not letting her talk.
Let me speak. So
we can't see it, 'cause I know.
you
I
always.
know.
We gotta see the
Can I
message. You
speak?
lying, Dolly.
Let her
No,
talk
I'm not
first,
lying.
Flip.
It's
I'm gonna
not
send you
bad,
the
though. Dolly, it's
screenshot.
okay.
Let me
It's
tell
not
you
bad.
what made.
Dolly, that's not
Send
bad,
it to
Stop.
me,
though.
Let
Dolly.
me
Send
There's
it to
nothing
speak.
me.
wrong with it, Dolly. It's okay.
Let me
Don't be
Flip, but
speak.
he not
homophobic,
Flip.
letting her
Let me
Dolly.
tell you
talk.
what I feel. Let
Dolly,
me tell
don't be
you what I feel, Flip.
homophobic.
Stop
Dolly, don't be
talking.
homophobic, too. Don't
Flip,
do
but
that.
he
Flip,
let
let
her
him
talk
shut up.
too,
Let me
That's
Flip.
speak, please.
that's
Flip,
not.
please trust
Somebody lying
me.
here. I'm not gonna lie.
But
You
Flip, he
That's
not
Flip,
letting her
nasty.
talk.
Flip, Flip, listen. Can I speak, please? Just
No, we
1
want to
minute.
see, Dolly.
Please.
We want to
Can I
see.
speak? Why is
No,
he
we want to
so
see. We want
speak?
receipts. We want receipts right
Stop,
now.
stop. Flip,
We want
please.
Let
Can I
receipts
her,
right
let her
now.
speak?
You got 30
talk,
seconds,
bro.
Can
Dolly.
I speak?
You got 30
Dolly,
seconds,
Can I
Dolly.
speak?
you lied on Ding Dong or hell no?
You got that. You got 30 seconds. See,
Ding Dong, my
they
friend.
No,
homophobic,
Wow.
listen,
Flip.
Flip,
They the real
Ding Dong, my
Flip.
homophobic
friend. Ding Dong,
ones,
my
Flip.
friend.
And
No.
this is the problem. This
Ding
is the
Dong, my
problem,
friend.
Flip. This is the
Wow.
Ding
problem,
Dong is
Flip.
my
This
friend.
is the problem, Flip.
Ding
They
Dong
Flip,
is
cause the
that's
my
somebody
friend.
in
community.
the
Ding Dong
They
is my
comments.
cause
They
friend.
the
might be
confusion in
lying,
their own
Flip.
community.
No, Ding
They
Nah,
Dong
hate
is
Flip,
my
you giving
friend.
themselves,
him a
Flip.
No,
pass,
no.
Flip.
They hate
Ding Dong is
themselves,
my
Yo,
Flip.
friend.
send the message to me,
That's the
Dolly.
real
Send it to
hate, Flip.
Tsunami T. No.
That's the real
I
hate,
believe her,
Flip.
Flip. I believe her,
That's where the
Flip.
real hate come from.
I
Ding
believe
That's
her,
where the
Dong.
Flip.
real hate come from, Flip.
Nah,
Ding
I
Dong, my
believe her,
That's
friend.
where the
Flip.
real hate come from, Flip.
You gotta let her give
That's the real
context
hate, Flip.
first. Let her tell
No,
the
we want to
story.
see. We want
Not
to see
about
Flip,
you,
and
dumb
then she
bitch.
gonna send it to
We
you,
want to see you,
Flip.
dumb bitch. We want to see you,
Shut
dumb
up.
bitch.
Your mother's a
Now,
dumb bitch,
this. Now, watch
faggot.
this,
Shut
Flip.
up. Shut
Now,
up.
watch this, Flip.
Shut
Now, watch
up.
this, Flip. Watch this, Flip. Watch this. I want
He
all the
unsend it.
transgenders.
No.
I want.
Hurry
I
up.
want
Wait, can I
all.
get something in
I
my
want
chicken
every
now?
transgender. Watch this. You don't want me to say this. I want every transgender I hit up in the DM to come on the Black People's Podcast and interview Miles' granddaddy with
Wow.
me. I want y'all to
He
jump in
doing
the DM right
anything to
now.
get close to him, Flip.
Show me right now. I got him right here, but I want y'all to bring him up. I got an interview
Wow.
lined up with Miles' granddaddy. I hit up every
What?
transgender that was trying to shut me down and told me to come on the show
Wow.
because I want to hear their truth. Let's
This is
talk about it.
crazy.
Let's talk about it.
I ain't gonna lie, Flip.
Oh, please. I
Just
got the
got
receipts.
it.
I'm cocked and ready, you dumb bitch. I'm cocked and ready,
Yeah,
you dumb
alright.
bitch. I'm working out because I do the real work. Miles told us about his daddy because, I said he was
Why
talking
you
about
want to
my mom
talk
and
to
shit.
this
I said,
man father
it's
for?
not my fault. I said, it's not my fault. You never played baseball with your daddy. I understand. He told me who his daddy was. I went and looked up his daddy. He showed me his daddy.
Wow.
He showed
And
me
you
his
don't
daddy
find nothing
IG.
weird about
He
that?
showed me his
Maj is
daddy.
only
He showed me his
18. Why
daddy
you
IG.
harassing him?
And guess what? And guess
That
what?
boy
And
is
guess
only
what? And
18.
guess
Why you
what? And
bothering
guess
him?
what? And guess what? And guess what? And guess what? His daddy gonna tell us the truth, not me. It's really his
Wow.
granddaddy. It's really his granddaddy. So I hit up
Flip,
every
keep it real,
transgender.
Flip.
I hit up
You
every.
think if
I
something
hit
was
up
to happen
every.
to
I hit
you,
up
Brad
every.
man wouldn't be
I hit
clout
up
chasing
every
off of you too,
transgender that
Flip?
was
Because he can't be
ratting and
trusted,
hating on
Flip.
my motherfucking
I
shit.
would protect your
Yeah,
name,
I'm
Flip.
like
He
that.
wouldn't. You know
I'm
that.
like that with the
Flip,
blinky,
you
dog.
know I would protect your
I'm
name.
like that with the
This nigga
blinky,
would be
dog. Y'all
trying
have
to
seen this
interview
time
all
and
your
time
ops,
again.
Flip.
I get extra
You know
crazy
he
with the
would. To
blinky.
clout chase.
I get extra. They
I
call it
would
cloud
never
chasing. I call
speak
it
bad
doing work
about you
though
if
with the
something happened to
blinky.
you, Flip. This clout chaser,
She mad.
right
She
here,
call it
you
cloud
can't
chasing.
trust him, bro.
That's how the
You
blinky
can't
work.
trust him, Flip. You know
That's how the
that.
blinky work.
You
That's how
know
the
that,
blinky work.
Flip.
It's extra active, nigga. I come see you. I really come pull up after the live. I
Pull
really
up
come see
where?
you. I really come see you. I really come see you after the live, though. I really
Nah,
want to
you
do the. I
come
really
see
want to do
me.
the
Some
real work.
real gang members gonna
I really
see
want.
you,
I really want
nigga.
to. I really want to do the
You
real work.
worried? Don't you
I
worried
really want
about
to do the. I
crazy
really want to
niggas? You
do the
need to be
real
worried
work.
about mine.
I
I
really
dare
want. I
you
really
play
want. I
with
really
me,
want to,
nigga.
like I did on T. Like I
You
did on
won't
T.
do
I really.
shit.
I
You'll
really
get
want to do the
hurt,
real
nigga.
work. I really.
Look at you foaming at the
Yo.
mouth.
Yo. I really pull that blinky out.
Hold on.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Listen,
Yeah. So be careful when you come through here, my nigga.
hold on, Brad.
Be careful when you come through here, my nigga.
You know what?
Facts. I'm a
He won't
monster
shut
when
up.
it comes to this, bro. I'm a monster when it comes to this, bro. Don't do it. Don't come from my family.
Wow.
Quiet, Brad. Be
Don't
quiet,
do it.
Brad.
Don't you ever come from my motherfucking family.
Fuck
Don't
your
do it. I'm a
family,
monster.
nigga. Shut up.
I'm a
Fuck your
monster.
mother. That
I'm a
bitch is
monster
worm
when it comes
food,
to this
nigga.
shit.
Fuck your
I'm a
mother,
monster when
nigga.
it
I don't
comes to
give a
this
fuck
shit.
about you.
I swallow. Look. I eat
Look
that
at him,
shit.
Flip. What's wrong
Huh?
with him?
Huh? I'm a
He's sweating
monster.
and everything. Flip, what's wrong with
And
this nigga?
then look. And then when they know I'm here, they don't want it. They want to report. They want to rap. They want to go to
Man, ain't
the
nobody
police. They want to
reporting
call
you.
on
I
it.
don't
They
even
want
go
to
to your
call this person.
page.
They want to call this person and call that person. We ain't seen mine all night. Cause I'm really active with the blinky. I'm really active with this shit, bro.
Wow.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Bro, you really think you did something
Bread man, look,
today?
bread man on the table. A bread man on the table. I love it. I love this shit. I'm a comedian. I love this shit. I'm on the table. Nicholas, she said it. Nicholas Ashford Simpson. It's funny. I'm a funny dude. So we can talk about me all day, all night. When you come after my people, don't think just because you see me laughing, you think it. Nah, nigga.
You ain't gonna do shit.
I
You ain't gonna do
really
nothing.
get to pulling the
We
picture
gonna have your
out.
record and all
I
kind
really
of
go
shit by
find your daddy.
tomorrow.
I
Watch.
really go find your
I'm
daddy.
just getting
I
warmed
really
up
go
on you,
find your
Nicholas.
granddaddy. I really go
I'm just
find your
getting warmed
granddaddy and
up,
do a whole
Nicholas.
interview with him. I really go find your granddaddy and do a whole interview with him and let him tell your truth.
You won't
That's
find
what
nobody in my family to tell you nothing
that's
about
what
me.
I do.
I promise you.
I really go find your people. That's how. Let me show you. Matter of fact, let me show you how I pulled up. Let me show you what I do.
So Flip,
Let me show you what I
he
do.
can't get mad when I pull up his people. See, it's
You
fair
done opened up
game.
a can of worms.
It's fair game,
You done opened up a
Flip.
can of worms.
It's fair
You done
game,
opened up a
baby.
can of worms. You opened up a can of worms. Let me show
I
you
ain't
what I do.
mad. There's
Let me show you
nobody
what I
that
do.
know
Pay
me that would
attention.
interview with
Let
you.
me show you what I do. I really pull
Flip,
a blick
this
out.
is the same
Listen.
person who would interview
Listen.
people if something happened to you, Flip. He'll interview your enemies.
Man TV, media outlet. I was reaching out to you, Mozzie. Mozzie sent me your way. He's blazing
Wow.
hot on the social media. He's got
He's
a lot of
blazing hot.
controversy, and he was able to point me your way. I want to see if I can interview you, or at least get some comments from you on his history. That he's saying that you're his father, his granddad. We want to try to do the knowledge on Mozzie, and so we want to know about
He
the
obsessed
history
over an
of him coming up and
18-year-old
everything.
boy.
And
Sad. Why you
G-Next,
obsessed with that young
you don't
man?
block
Hold
me
on, he
now.
didn't
Now you gonna
respond.
block me because
He
now
didn't
you remember.
He
respond
didn't
though.
Now you
respond.
remember.
He didn't
Now
respond.
Tsunami T remember. Tsunami T finna block me.
No, I'm
Tsunami T
not.
finna block me. I do the real
Bro,
work.
stop
Bitch.
cutting Flip off, bro.
I do the real work. What you say, Flip?
Did he respond?
Did he respond? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
That's a yes or no question.
Oh.
See how you beat around the bush? He didn't give you no answer. Wow.
Ooh, this what I do. This what I do. I'll eat your fucking head off. Don't fuck with me.
Bro, you're
Did
not
he
doing
respond?
anything, though.
That's why I leave you. That's why I leave you.
Bro,
Did
you
he
didn't do
respond?
anything.
That's how I had you looking. That's how.
Answer the
Did he
question.
respond?
Did he
Look how he
respond? Did he
diverting.
respond? Did he respond? That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I do.
Did he respond, yes or
I
no?
pull a blinky out. I pull a blinky out to get extra active. Huh? We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see.
Did he respond or not?
Ooh, shut up, bitch. You dumb bitch. You next.
Yeah, you
You next. I'm
mad.
about to find. I'll find your mama. I'm gonna find your mama that you beat on. Your grandma that you beat on every time you get pissed and you go through a drug binge. I'm gonna interview
He just
your
saying anything,
grandma
Flip.
too.
I'm gonna let him say anything.
Your grandma gonna talk to me too. Y'all stay in
Why
that
Yeah,
raggedy
you
house.
kicked me off?
Y'all
I
still
did.
stay in that raggedy house. I'm gonna talk to your grandma too. I'm gonna interview your grandma too.
Don't come in. Well, I'm
You
not.
guys,
Hold on. I heard you a liar.
you don't want me to speak. Flip, you just protected him. I was
No, I
about to
protect my
speak
man Ding Dong
honestly.
because they said you lied on my friend.
No, but you have no proof. We're speaking about receipt here.
Don't play
Anyone can
around. I
say
don't like
anything.
that lying shit. Don't lie on
The
my
fake.
friends.
So we still looking.
This is being
We still
fake. This
looking.
is being fake,
I don't give
Flip.
a fuck.
We
No,
still
no.
looking.
Don't lie on my friends.
We're waiting. Can you show
I'm
us
not
some
lying
receipts?
on him.
We're
Don't
waiting.
lie.
You're
I don't
talking
like
about
that shit.
something else.
just
Show
hurry
me
up and get
receipts.